Okay, so most people using ElevenLabs, they're doing it wrong. Like, completely embarrassingly wrong. They're wasting their credits, and their voiceover still sounds robotic. I know. But here's the thing. Today, I'm going to show you how to use ElevenLabs better than 99% of people. And I mean, that number is not an exaggeration. How? By adding real, actual emotions to your voiceover using Claude AI. And honestly, once you see this, you're never going back. Okay, let's get into it. The ElevenLabs link is in the description below. If you want to follow along and test it yourself, you can sign up and try it completely free. Now, if you want to design a brand new voice from scratch, you can head into voice design and create a completely fresh voice right there. But I'm going to skip that for now, because today I want to show you something more powerful: how to take your own existing voice and make it sound genuinely natural and realistic. So I'm going straight into text-to-speech. First, I'll select my own voice here. Now you can start with one of the preset text samples available at the bottom if you want, but instead I've added a simple plain script here. No tags, no emotions, nothing added yet. Let's first apply ElevenLabs' built-in enhance feature and see what happens. Okay, so it has added some basic thoughtful tags automatically. Let's hit generate speech and play it back. I never really thought about how strange it is to exist until now. Every day, things happen around us, and we move through them without paying much attention. You heard that, right? There are barely any emotions in that audio. The voice feels flat, static. It gets the words out, but it doesn't feel like a real person saying them. Now, let's see the magic. Open Claude AI and type this simple prompt. Analyze this article and replicate the tone, emotions, tags, and expressions found in that voice within my script. Then paste a paragraph that already has strong emotions and tags in it. You can even use one of ElevenLabs' own presets as a reference sample to give Claude context. Hit generate. Claude will then ask you to share your actual script. Just paste your full plain script and hit enter. And now watch what happens. Claude AI takes your plain, flat script and completely optimizes it. It adds emotion tags, pause tags, delivery cues, all placed exactly where they need to be to make the voice feel alive. Now copy that optimized script, paste it into ElevenLabs, and hit generate speech. Voice has been generated. Let's play it. Oh, wow. I never really thought about how strange it is to just exist. Like, every single day, things are happening around us and we just move through them without even noticing. That's kind of wild when you think about it. But sometimes, and this is the part that gets me, sometimes there's this moment where everything just shifts. Like you're seeing the world for the absolute first time. And I mean, the sunlight looks brighter, familiar sounds feel brand new. Even the simplest little thought feels like it actually means something. It's hard to explain. I'm trying, I really am. Oh, wow. Did you hear that? The emotions, the laughing effects, the natural pauses, everything just lands exactly the way it should. The robotic tone, completely gone. And the audio quality feels like a totally different voice, even though it's the exact same voice clone. And now, okay, listen to this version where I added mostly laughing emotions throughout, like just everywhere.
Okay, so I asked my friend to tell me the most unfunny joke he knows. Like, I wanted something so dead inside it circles back to being hilarious, right? And he just goes, totally serious, why did the chicken cross the road? I'm already bracing myself. Bro, I don't know why that sent me. Like the chicken had no plot, no twist, just raw determination.
Even more natural, even more human. Honestly, I'm a little impressed, like genuinely. And that's the power of one, simple, Claude prompt. Just one. It takes your boring robotic voiceover and just transforms it into something that actually connects with your audience. This one small change will improve the overall quality of every single video you make going forward. Definitely trial see exactly what I mean. The ElevenLabs link is in the description below. And make sure you join me on Telegram. The link is in the description too. That's where I share the latest updates, tips, and video notifications the moment they go live. See you in the next one.